Our planet's oceans are responsible for some of the most severe weather on Earth. We just rarely see it. Given how vast the oceans are, it makes sense that most of the time there's no one around to experience it. Once in a while, though, a ship travels into some bad weather and captures it all on film. Cruise ships, cargo ships, oil rigs, they all get to bear witness to the waves that we don't see on land. But in today's video, we will explain rogue waves. Welcome to Brain Getty. What are rogue waves? Let's get started. You may not have heard of the term rogue waves before, but there's a good chance that you're familiar with its more popular name, killer waves. On the other hand, scientists refer to them as extreme storm waves. While these terrifying phenomena have been included in marine folklore for centuries, scientists have only recently begun to understand and accept them as real. Rogue waves are waves that are incredibly massive. More specifically, they're at least twice the size of other waves that surround them. They're also very unpredictable and often arrive unexpectedly. That's why they're largely considered to be dangerous. Those who have personally experienced rogue waves claim that they appear to be walls of water due to their very steep sides and extremely deep troughs. Not much is known about this phenomenon, mainly because the occurrences of it have been rare. However, we do know that they form because ocean swells travel at different speeds and directions, which means that they're sometimes reinforced and strengthened whenever passing through or coinciding with another. This results in towering waves that tend to disappear almost immediately. They may last for several minutes, though, if formed by swells that are traveling in the same direction. Rogue waves may be rare, but one of the most notorious incidents involving one took place on New Year's Day in 1995, when the drop near an oil installation located in the Norwegian North Sea was hit by an 85-foot or 26-meter wave. This was in stark contrast to the swells that surrounded it, most of which reached a height only of 39 feet, or 11.8 meters. This rogue wave was captured by the installation's downward-pointing laser and served to prove that the centuries-old maritime myth was actually a fact. Since then, scientists have claimed that this phenomenon has caused more than 500 deaths, as well as claimed approximately 22 supercarriers in the latter half of the 20th century alone. However, rogue waves aren't restricted to the Atlantic Ocean or the North Sea. Rather, they occur most times off the southeast coast of South Africa, where the swift current helps transport the warm waters of the Indian Ocean to the Gulf Stream. Thanks to this, it plays a crucial role in influencing climate conditions across the globe. However, the Agulhas current also shortens the wavelength of swells that interact with it, causing them to become much steeper. This, in turn, results in rogue waves. It's important to note that rogue waves are dangerous and can cause great harm, since they're powerful enough to crack the hulls of ships. In fact, renowned oceanographer and maritime archaeologist Dr. Robert Ballard, who discovered the wreckage of the Titanic, discovered rogue waves during his first ocean expedition. Recalling the experience, he explained to National Geographic that we were 500 miles out to sea off Eureka, California, on a script ship called the Orca. We were in a storm with 30-foot swells when a rogue wave over 50 feet high hit us, blowing out the windows of the bridge, blowing out the portholes in the galley, destroying the mast and splash rail, and flooding the engineering room with water. We were unable to head for shore since we would be rolled over by the swell, so we slowly steamed into the sea until a Coast Guard cutter could reach us and escort us back to shore, while telling us over the radio how to treat the 2 crew members who were badly injured when that wave hit us. Well, that's it for this video. I've never experienced a rogue wave, but one of my favorite shows is Deadliest Catch. And according to those captains, they've been hit by quite a few rogue waves over the years. Have you had any hair-raising experiences out on the water? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also hit that bell notification button so you'll know whenever a new video is uploaded. And remember, what's learned here leaves here. Share something you learned about rogue waves with a friend. See you later.